Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a second time at Kinetic Academy here in Huntington Beach, California, and incredible day getting to spend 3 different programs with the TK all the way through 5th grade, getting to share my heart all about diversity and the need for human kindness. So we really built on what I came and spoke on last school year, which was all about bullying, looking at someone's heart first and foremost, seeing that person like you see your best friend, and taking that up a level and making this kindness a part of our everyday lives, that we commit to this. And so many students, when I stayed for the lunches and the recess, came up to me and shared their heart with me and told me that they're making this promise in their heart too, to make kindness a way of life, right? They were drawing me pictures and telling me stories, and it was so beautiful to see their hearts, because the thing about kindness is that it's so important that we show somebody different acts of kindness, because it could not only affect their heart, but anybody who hears that kind word or really sees that positive action, it might positively impact who they are for the rest of their life. So we have to be all in for this planet. We have to keep showing that love, that unconditional love, which means love without any conditions, that we show somebody that respect and compassion, whether they're taller, shorter, wider, thinner, different skin color, if they learn different abilities, if they talk different, walk different, see different, hear different, speak a different language, are disabled, it doesn't matter. We still show that love without any conditions. We still show that respect. And so I showed a couple of video clips about kindness coming full circle and the diversity that we saw in these videos, people's differences, but that we still celebrate that, we still appreciate that, and no matter whether someone has money or doesn't, or is born a certain way or not, we can still choose to see everybody as a human being and as true miracles. We talk about this every presentation I give, but the M on all of our hands, M for miracle. With the lines on our hand, I traced it here, upside down, W for worthy. And that means, just like the shirt says on the front and back, that we are all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, worthy to give and receive love. And like the kindness raps that we did today, it was all about, for as much as we give, we receive that much more into our heart. So it's so important to keep giving our all and just continuing to try to heal this world one act of kindness at a time. Again, it's always been a pleasure to see you guys. I'll be here for the parent program again tonight too. So I'm really excited to share my heart with all of them as well, talking about cyberbullying and social media. But until next time, much love, peace, and don't forget to subscribe by hitting the link that you'll see pop up on the screen here. Hit the notification bell too to stay updated on future videos like this, along with checking out my website and the other amazing playlist above of clips that track my journey across this country, healing America's heart one school at a time.